I became Muslim in my early 20s, and I was introduced to another revert by a friend at college, and that revert and we ended up getting married, alhamdulillah. And alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, Allah blessed us with 5 children, and He blessed us with 17 happy years, alhamdulillah. One day, I was woken by my children who came calling for me. Mummy, Mummy, Daddy's not waking up. I went to the bed and found my husband not responsive. And we called the ambulance, and it happened like this. The ambulance comes, we take him to get a scan. They say that he's had a stroke and that there is brain damage and he's in a coma. And they don't know how long he'll be in the coma or what his state will be if he wakes up. So I'm sitting there. It's been 17 years of this man, a constant in my life, this beloved husband, wonderful father, mashallah, tabarakallah. My children are looking to me for answers. When is Daddy going to wake up? When is he coming home? And I don't know what to tell them. And the people start coming. They come with dua, they come with Quran, they come with love. How wonderful people come into your life when you need them. And I'm sitting there, I'm the one who has to phone his mother. This is her youngest child. And I have to tell her, Mum, he's in a coma. They don't know whether he's going to wake up. I have to hear a mother's heart breaking. And I have to go through all the scenarios. What if he stays in a coma for 3 years? What happens then? Allah is the owner of the heavens and the earth, and He decides. So, Ya Rab, if he will be in a coma for however long, I accept. Then they say, when he wakes up, he may have severe brain damage. He may not recognize you or the children. I say, Allah is the owner of the heavens and the earth. He decides. And if my husband wakes up and he is no longer the man that he was, I accept. And then what if he doesn't come back? Subhanallah, I went through every scenario, which is what you do. You go through every scenario, what could possibly happen. And Allah gives me the chance to accept each scenario. Say, Ya Rab, this is in your hands. Whatever you decide, I accept. When after 2 weeks, I got the phone call and the doctor said that we tried to revive him, but your husband is no more. Your husband has returned to Allah. I said, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Thank you. I put down the phone and I went into sujood of shukr. Most of us don't look at our lives on a daily basis and say, Alhamdulillah for this, Alhamdulillah for that. Alhamdulillah for my husband, for my wife, for my children, for my health, for my home, for my parents still alive, for this job that pays my bills, for this degree that is opening doors for me, for my friends who support me. Most of us are forgetful. We are the children of Adam, after all.